The nice thing here at Ideal Air is like we built a culture of camaraderie. You know, the group of guys that we work with are super cool.
Everybody's extremely friendly. Everybody's very supportive of each other.
I just love it, man. I wake up every day just excited to go to work.
This is a job where you can actually grow as a person and not just work 9 to 5.
If you feel like you've got a mechanical aptitude, you can work with your hands, and you like being physical, I mean, really, this is the place to be.
There's great opportunities for growth, and you could really go far.
We're really looking for individuals that have the right work ethic. If you've got the right work ethic and the right drive, there's easy opportunity for advancement and really making this your home and a great career.
It's an excellent opportunity for continuous work, for financial stability and growth. I would strongly suggest coming to Ideal and giving us a shot.